I bet you. So what's gonna happen right now is I just took a couple shots of vodka.
I'm ready.
Sam's already drunk. Sam's gonna glam me up, and I'm gonna feel like Paris Hilton for once in my fucking life. And are you ready, bitches? So we've drinking past 10 shots. It's 3 in the fucking morning, and we're filming right now. What are we using first? Wow, that's green. That really looks green.
So we're doing Smashbox Photo Finish foundation.
I don't know. Put it on me. I can't read the whole name of it. I just want to just do it on my face. Paint me. Paint me.
Okay. Finish.
I'm ready to be glammed up.
I'm gonna moisten it.
Oh God. Okay. Has to go everywhere. We need it. What? We need 100% coverage. Yeah. Wow. I look like shit.
Okay, so we want to do Smashbox foundation primer.
That's what you just put on. And then what's next? What is it? Yes, it's got on my nose. Okay. That's on my nose. That's what I just wiped off my nose. You can see on my. Hi, this is Sam, blackout drunk, doing my makeup. She's not gonna remember this tomorrow. Okay, go.
Okay.
Alright. What are you putting on me?
So this is Real Techniques.
I look like I have diarrhea smeared on my fucking face. It's like I ate like a quesarito from Taco Bell, and I just like I shat it out, and I just like put the contents, and I was like, you can't laugh at my jokes, bitch. Put on my makeup, smear my other face. I want to be glam. Like I want eyelashes. Ah! I got my eye. Fuck. I want to be full glam, bitch. If I don't have a sugar daddy by the end of this video, I'm mad.
I cannot breathe.
Talk to me, Jeffree Star. I love to talk about dogs.
I breathe.
So we have this like charcoal. There's no charcoal. What is she doing? My one side is very like chocolatey right now. Okay, we're gonna blend that. Maybe we might blend it. I look like a mess right now. Like, okay, next time. I'm so drunk. That just someone made me throw up when you turn my face that way. She's really blending it on me. I'm blended, bitch.
I didn't even do the damn thing.
Okay, good. We blended my fucking self-tanner. Can we get like another step on this bit?
Okay, so we want to make the damn thing.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up, honestly. Like, I'm ready to throw up. She's already gonna fucking knock the table over. Me on myself, like, I could puke right now, and like, I'd be chill puking.
Owie.
Like, I could. Okay, Sam, paint me. Paint me, paint me, paint me.
So bad.
Paint me. Okay, so she's putting on my something eye. Oh God, oh my God, it's so wet. Okay, so finish me off, like get me done. Tell me what it is. Okay, well I have it on my fucking face. I just
click.
Okay, go.
Click.
Go.
Click it. Click.
I'm gonna throw up. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm so drunk. Okay. My fucking face. I bet you. I look like a fucking. I look like a fucking crack whore.
You look a mess.
Look at my cute cat. He's such a baby.